What's up, bag holders? Main account time, baby. Um, we got some things to update on the spreadsheet here. I'll get my stuff together here. We sold both the cryptos, which you can see. Very nice. Or maybe up here as it hit. It was last night. So whatever that goes for. 6:02 p.m. Somewhere in here. For ETH. No. Yeah, right in here. Nice little run up, huh? Not bad. We only held it for 4 days. That ain't bad. And Bitcoin. We got out at 4:30 on Bitcoin. So yeah, that's the end of this mess here. It's on this candle. Did a little better on it than we did on ETH, but that's all right. All right, so for a grand total, that takes us up to 29% returns since August. It's pretty damn good. All right, just a little catch up on the, we'll go back. Gold and silver, we'll finish up commodities here, but we're looking to buy. We don't own any of these, so we're just in waiting mode right now. Okay. Our order to buy got filled, probably right here. So we got filled at $40.82 a share. And this was on the 17th, which would have been what, Friday? So that puts our blended average at 41.72. So we're in there good. And then we did get some money for the charity. And so we bought Metatronic, the S&P 500, and the QQQY. All right. All right, that puts a square. So what we're doing now is go through the stocks real quick. And I got the 450 put sold here on EVIX too, so we're looking good on that as well. But we're just looking to see if there's any sell orders we need to put in. We also have one bullet to buy. We're still going to manage the money really tight until we get some more sells. You know what I mean? Hold on here, 32.48. So the 5 is above the 20. Very strange, but that's a nice little sideways. You can build up a big position that way if you stay after it. IWM's at 62, and here we get close to this damn 200 again. It's actually bullish, but I'm going to go ahead and put my order in and get rid of this thing. I just don't like it by the 200 for on the wrong side of it. It'll probably break out and make me look like a moron, but it's okay. 179.33. The closing print, and if they'll take it, they can have it. This is not going to be a phenomenal trade by any means, but we make a little bit and move on. Remember, time is part of it too. We got out at 179.37 per share. It did take the order. What the heck? All right, and this one's not going to be that great of a return, but it's good to get a sell on the market up day. It was 2.83% returns. Looks like we held it a little less than 3 weeks. Oh, it's 60.81 annualized, so 60% returns is damn good. I got some partial shares where I'm just kind of monitoring the Russell here, so we'll keep that on the radar. So yeah, 60%. I'm happy to lock that in, man. There's nothing wrong with that. All right. You can see the rotation for value really wasn't that strong, even though the market was up pretty big today. 62. We got the dividend going though. We'll be patient with Coke. The higher quality names, I am a little more patient. You know, maybe that's like trying to pick your favorite kid, but whether you're willing to admit it or not, you got a favorite kid. You love them all, but it ain't equal. 23.50. All right, that's a setup. You can see we got in here, but we had another 30 tag, and it's back up. Leg it and flat. That'll be our buy. 23.50. Give him the old leg it. How long have we had this? It says we already have 2 shares. We do. We got 10.12. And 11.16. No, we already bought here. So that is not the buy. We already did it. I just didn't have my little circles. Boy, that looks good. I like all these dividends coming up. And we're either going to go back down into the range or it's going to break out. But it's kind of at that point where it's got to crap or get off the pot, you know. Flips manage themselves. Market was up, so we're not buying any of those. The income funds are doing good. This one's starting to recover finally. But we really just want to see if there's a swing available. This one might be it right here. 149.45 versus 149.23. This is it. Of course, today was the X date, so we will not get this dividend. But that's also usually a pretty decent time to buy because the stock day by day is worth more cash flow the closer you get to the dividend. 149.91. Oh, come on. And we'll see if we can get filled here. That would be pretty cool. We did 149.80 per share. right. I think this is a dog too. So, dog power. Must be a good run up. We'll probably get it up to around in here somewhere. And that by that time, the 200 will come right down in there, and it'll be perfect swing, hopefully. Now, just make sure you manage your expectations. A lot of these trades, as they start coming off the books, will be not that great, just for the fact that they've taken more time, right? The ones that work right away have the fancier, flashier annualized return numbers, but the longer it goes in, it gets more reasonable. And then, of course, they all average out in the long run. The important part is staying in flow and keeping it together, man, being consistent. So we got that. But overall, everything's going good. That's kind of a weird week with the holidays, so be aware of that. And I hope you're selling stock out there. We're doing it, man. Every day we're doing it. So hope you're doing well. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.